The Explorer Compact Mobile Wheel Wash is a powerful, quickly deployable solution to stop dirt being dragged out of your site. The system can be deployed with no civil works and be up and running in half a day. The compact design works because upper jets clean the tops of the tyre at the same time as the underside jets doing their job. Angle irons put pressure to splay and open the tyre treads, allowing this compact unit to get the job done in minimal space. For longer-term projects, the system can be installed at ground level with concrete aprons to maximise water retention. As a water recycling wheel wash, the Explorer can reuse the same water again and again. Rental units and brand new systems are available. We also have larger mobile wheel wash systems available, plus a broad range of highly effective permanent wheel wash systems. Talk to one of our wash system experts today to see if the Explorer Wheel Wash is the right fit for your project.